Welcome to Top Wise. In this video, we'll be discussing the 16 psychological rules of money that everyone must know. These powerful concepts can help you develop the right mindset and habits to achieve your financial goals, build wealth, and achieve financial independence. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to improve your existing financial situation, these rules can provide you with the guidance and strategies you need to succeed. So get ready to take notes, because we're about to explore the 16 psychological rules of money that can change your financial future. But first, if you're new to this channel, I really appreciate it if you subscribe to help us produce more educational content like this. And don't forget to ring the bell to be notified when we upload new videos. Now, let's get started. Number 1. The power of compounding. The power of compounding is one of the most fundamental concepts in personal finance. It refers to the ability of an asset to generate earnings, which are then reinvested to generate even more earnings. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound, resulting in a significant increase in wealth over time. For example, if you invest $1,000 at a 7% annual rate of return, after 10 years, your investment would be worth $1,967. But if you leave that money to grow for 30 years, it would be worth $7,612. This exponential growth can have a huge impact on your financial future and emphasizes the importance of starting to invest as early as possible to take advantage of the power of compounding. Number 2. The power of habit. The power of habit is a key concept in personal finance that can help you build wealth over time. Good money habits, such as regularly saving and investing, can be difficult to develop, but once they become a part of your routine, they can have a significant impact on your financial future. By automating your savings and investments, you can turn these habits into a natural part of your routine and avoid the temptation to spend the money elsewhere. Consistency is key when it comes to building good money habits, and the more you practice them, the easier they become. Over time, these habits can lead to significant wealth accumulation and financial security, making the power of habit an important concept to understand and incorporate into your personal finance strategy. Number 3. The power of diversification. The power of diversification is a critical concept in personal finance and investing. Diversification refers to the practice of spreading your investments across different assets and types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This strategy can help to reduce risk and increase the potential for returns, as a downturn in one sector or asset class can be offset by gains in another. By diversifying your portfolio, you can help protect yourself against market volatility and minimize the impact of any one investment on your overall portfolio. However, diversification does not guarantee profits or protect against losses, and it's important to understand your risk tolerance and investment goals when choosing your investments. The power of diversification emphasizes the importance of having a well-diversified portfolio to achieve long-term financial success. Number 4. The power of patience. The power of patience is an essential concept in personal finance and investing. Investing is a long-term game, and it's important to have patience and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. The stock market can be volatile, and it's not uncommon to see dramatic swings in prices over short periods of time. However, history has shown that the market tends to trend upward over the long term, and those who have the patience to ride out the ups and downs can be rewarded with significant returns. Patience also means avoiding the temptation to chase after hot investments or make frequent trades, which can lead to higher fees and lower returns. By staying the course and having patience, investors can benefit from the power of compounding and achieve their long-term financial goals. Number 5. The power of knowledge. The power of knowledge is a crucial concept in personal finance and investing. Educating yourself on personal finance and investing can help you make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. By understanding financial concepts such as budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management, you can develop a plan to achieve your financial goals. Additionally, having a solid understanding of investing principles such as risk, diversification, and asset allocation can help you build a well-diversified portfolio that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. There are many resources available for educating yourself on personal finance, including books, online courses, financial advisors, and investment platforms. The power of knowledge emphasizes the importance of taking the time to educate yourself on personal finance and investing, which can lead to better financial outcomes and increased financial security over the long term. Number 6. The power of goals. The power of goals is a fundamental concept in personal finance and can help you achieve financial success. Setting clear and specific financial goals can give you a sense of purpose and direction, making it easier to develop a plan to achieve those goals. Whether it's paying off debt, saving for a down payment on a house, or planning for retirement, having a concrete goal can help you stay focused and motivated. Additionally, setting achievable milestones along the way can help you track your progress and make adjustments as needed. Without clear goals, it can be difficult to make meaningful progress and stay motivated over the long term. The power of goals emphasizes the importance of setting clear and specific financial goals, which can help you stay focused and motivated as you work towards achieving financial success. Number 7. The power of budgeting. The power of budgeting is a critical concept in personal finance and can help you take control of your finances. Budgeting involves creating a plan for how you will allocate your income, taking into account your expenses, debt payments, and savings goals. By tracking your expenses and creating a budget, you can identify areas where you can cut back on spending and increase your savings. Additionally, budgeting can help you avoid overspending and falling into debt. A budget also provides a framework for making financial decisions and can help you make informed choices about your spending and savings. There are many tools and apps available to help you create and track a budget, making it easier to stay on track and achieve your financial goals. The power of budgeting emphasizes the importance of creating a plan for your money, which can help you achieve financial stability and build long-term wealth. Number 8. The power of delayed gratification. The power of delayed gratification is an essential concept in personal finance and can help you achieve your long-term financial goals. Delayed gratification means putting off immediate rewards or pleasures in favor of long-term benefits. In personal finance, this can mean saving and investing for the future rather than spending money on immediate wants and needs. By delaying gratification, you can benefit from the power of compounding and achieve greater financial success over time. Additionally, delaying gratification can help you avoid falling into debt and living beyond your means. It requires discipline and self-control, but the rewards can be significant. The power of delayed gratification emphasizes the importance of prioritizing long-term goals over short-term pleasures, which can lead to greater financial security and stability over the long term. Number 9. The power of frugality. The power of frugality is a crucial concept in personal finance and can help you save money and achieve your financial goals. Frugality involves living below your means and being mindful of your spending. By cutting back on unnecessary expenses and finding ways to save money, you can free up resources to put towards your financial goals, such as paying off debt, saving for a down payment on a house, or investing for retirement. Frugality can also help you avoid falling into debt and living beyond your means. It requires discipline and creativity, but the rewards can be significant. The power of frugality emphasizes the importance of being mindful of your spending and living within your means, which can lead to greater financial security and stability over the long term. Number 10. The power of opportunities. The power of opportunities is a crucial concept in personal finance and investing. Opportunities can arise from a variety of sources, including changes in the market, emerging technologies, or new investment vehicles. By being open to opportunities and staying informed about market trends and developments, you can identify potential investments that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. However, it's important to exercise caution and do your due diligence before investing in any opportunity. This may involve researching the company or investment, consulting with a financial advisor, or seeking out advice from experienced investors. The power of opportunities emphasizes the importance of staying informed and being open to new investment opportunities, which can help you build a well-diversified portfolio and achieve your long-term financial goals. Number 11, the power of mindset. The power of mindset is a crucial concept in personal finance and can influence how you approach your financial decisions and behaviors. A positive and growth-oriented mindset can help you overcome financial obstacles, develop good financial habits, and stay motivated as you work towards your financial goals. On the other hand, a negative or fixed mindset can lead to self-doubt, fear, and procrastination, which can hinder your progress and lead to missed opportunities. Adopting a growth mindset means believing that you can learn and improve your financial skills and behaviors. This involves being open to new ideas and feedback, embracing challenges, and persisting through setbacks. Additionally, it can involve reframing negative thoughts or beliefs about money, such as viewing it as a source of stress or anxiety, into more positive and empowering beliefs. The power of mindset emphasizes the importance of cultivating a positive and growth-oriented mindset towards your finances, which can lead to greater financial success and well-being over the long term. Number 12, the power of values. The power of values is a critical concept in personal finance and can help you align your financial decisions with your personal values and goals. Values are the principles and beliefs that guide your decision-making and behavior, and they can have a significant impact on your financial choices. By identifying your core values and prioritizing them in your financial decisions, you can ensure that you are making choices that align with your long-term goals and values. For example, if one of your core values is environmental sustainability, you may prioritize investing in companies that have a strong commitment to sustainability or choose to live in a more eco-friendly home. Alternatively, if family and community are important values for you, you may prioritize spending on experiences and activities that bring you closer to your loved ones. The power of values emphasizes the importance of aligning your financial decisions with your personal values, which can lead to greater fulfillment and purpose in your life. By prioritizing your values, you can make financial decisions that are in line with your long-term goals and values rather than simply following societal norms or expectations. Number 13, the power of risk. The power of risk is a crucial concept in personal finance and investing. Risk refers to the possibility of losing money or failing to achieve your financial goals, and it's an inherent part of investing. However, taking calculated risks can also lead to higher potential returns and greater financial success over the long term. The key to managing risk is to understand your risk tolerance and develop a well-diversified portfolio that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. This may involve investing in a mix of assets such as stocks, bonds, and real estate that have different levels of risk and return potential. Additionally, it's important to do your due diligence and research before making any investment decisions, as well as regularly monitoring your portfolio and adjusting your investments as needed. The power of risk emphasizes the importance of balancing risk and potential rewards in your financial decisions, which can lead to greater financial success over the long term. By taking calculated risks and managing your portfolio effectively, you can achieve your financial goals while also minimizing potential losses. Number 14. The power of emotion. The power of emotion is a critical concept in personal finance and investing. Emotions can have a significant impact on our financial decisions and behaviors, often leading to impulsive or irrational choices that can negatively affect our financial well-being. Common emotions that can influence our financial decisions include fear, greed, and overconfidence. For example, fear of losing money may cause someone to avoid investing altogether, while greed may lead someone to make risky investments in the hope of earning high returns quickly. Similarly, overconfidence may lead someone to believe they can outperform the market and take on excessive risk. To manage the power of emotion in your financial decisions, it's important to develop self-awareness and emotional regulation skills. This may involve taking time to reflect on your emotions before making financial decisions, seeking advice from a trusted financial advisor or mentor, and developing a long-term investment strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. The power of emotion emphasizes the importance of being mindful of how emotions can impact our financial decisions and developing strategies to manage them effectively, which can lead to greater financial success over the long term. Number 15. The power of discipline. The power of discipline is a crucial concept in personal finance and can help you develop good financial habits and behaviors. Discipline refers to the ability to stick to your financial goals and make consistent, deliberate choices that support your long-term financial well-being. Developing financial discipline involves setting clear goals, creating a budget or financial plan, and committing to regular saving and investing habits. It also involves avoiding impulsive or unnecessary spending and being mindful of your overall financial situation. Discipline can be challenging to develop, especially in a culture that often encourages immediate gratification in spending. However, by developing discipline and sticking to your financial plan, you can build a strong financial foundation, increase your savings and investment portfolio, and achieve greater financial security and independence over time. The power of discipline emphasizes the importance of developing consistent and deliberate financial habits and behaviors, which can lead to greater financial success over the long term. By staying focused on your goals and committing to disciplined financial habits, you can achieve financial stability and freedom. Number 16. The power of action. The power of action is a critical concept in personal finance and can help you turn your financial goals into reality. Action refers to taking deliberate and consistent steps towards your financial goals, rather than just thinking or talking about them. Taking action involves identifying your goals, developing a plan or strategy to achieve them, and then implementing that plan through consistent action. This may involve saving a portion of your income each month, investing in a diversified portfolio, or taking steps to increase your income or reduce your expenses. The power of action is important because without it, even the best financial plans and strategies will not result in financial success. By taking consistent and deliberate action towards your financial goals, you can build momentum and make progress towards achieving your financial objectives. Of course, taking action can be challenging, especially if you're dealing with financial setbacks or obstacles. However, by staying focused on your goals and committing to consistent action, you can overcome these challenges and achieve greater financial success over time. The power of action emphasizes the importance of taking deliberate and consistent steps towards your financial goals, which can lead to greater financial success and fulfillment over the long term. By taking action and staying committed to your financial plan, you can achieve financial independence and live the life you've always dreamed of.